We are using 3 genies to mount the curtain onto the shaft. Although 2 would take the weight, 3 will distribute it much more evenly and avoid damaging the slats. Move the curtain into position using the carts and position the genies underneath them. Secure the ends of the forks with vice grips. Raise the forks to take the weight of the curtain. Once the curtain is off the ground, cut the outer layer of cardboard off the curtain everywhere except where the forks are, so that there will still be a layer of protection between the curtain and the forks of the genie. Make sure you orientate the curtain so that the starter slats are on top. Raise the forks of all 3 genies, taking care to keep the curtain straight with the floor. Once again, make sure you will not hit any obstructions in the ceiling. Once the curtain is under the barrel and centered, sling the curtain using your nylon straps and carabiners. Sling setups should never be spread out more than 10 feet, so use as many setups as needed in order to properly sling the curtain. If they are too few, too much weight will be on the curtain and the slats will get dented and damaged. Roll the curtain and attach it to the barrel as described in the Installing the Curtain video of our service door installation video series. When rolling the curtain onto the barrel, since this is such a large door, be especially vigilant that the tension wheel is rotating freely.